just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you
And I have made it to our destination. Hello from Ahmedabad. And I'm here with Krishma, mom and dad and Param of course. And we are here for 4 days. We are spending our Diwali here. So yesterday we landed in Ahmedabad. We took a flight from Kandla Bhuj airport and landed in Ahmedabad around 4:30 and went straight to buy some books at Crossword, that is on Mithakali road here in Ahmedabad. That is a very nice bookstore, the biggest Crossword that it used to be. Its name has changed to Latitude now since a year ago I think, and it's still the same but the name has changed. So we went directly there, wanted to buy some books. So here are a few clips from that, and then I'll see you again. And welcome to our Ahmedabad vlog. We have landed in Ahmedabad and this Diwali we are spending here. We are here for 4 days. So first directly we'll check into a hotel later, but we are going to Crossword first to buy some books for Param, and also Krishma wants to browse some for herself. So see you at Crossword now. The one on Mithakali road is the biggest one here in Ahmedabad, so we are going there first. So that is Crossword and this is Subway. Just decided to eat first at Subway because we are very hungry. Veggie delight. Tissue paper clean kar. Very good. Let's go buy some books. And Crossword's name has been changed to Latitude, I think. It's been quite a few years we have been here. Enjoyed those clips. We are staying at Skyline on Sindhu Bhavan Road here in Ahmedabad, and of course I'll give you a room tour. Room tours are an integral part of my vlogs, and I also realized that I don't show you the hotel as much while I should give you the room tour, but this time I'll show you a little bit of hotel as well. So here is a quick room tour. So made it to the hotel finally after all the book shopping, but of course let me give you a quick room tour. So that's the room, the cupboard, the bathroom, hi, and this is the bed, TV, mirror, sofa, and the view. I love a city view. And today we are going to Mahudiji first. Today is Kali Chaudas, so visiting Mahudiji on Kali Chaudas has its own importance, so we are going there first and we are ready to go. Krishma is just getting ready and then we are off to Mahudiji. We have first come to Mango for our lunch. Param. Param is having his butter roti and dal. Alright, the food was good. And now we are going to Mahudiji. Let's go, let's go. So made it to Mahudiji. And if one more time I would have told you, let's go to Mahudiji, you would have definitely closed this video. And it is around 80 kilometers from here, from Ahmedabad. So, and if you don't know, there's a Jain temple here. Pentakaran Ji की बहुत महिमा है यहाँ पे. और of course Jain temples में videography, photography not allowed. So I will show you from outside. We are having prasad, here supri, and we are having prasad. Supri is served as a prasad here, which is we cannot take it outside the parisar of mandir, so we are consuming it here only. There is a supri ghar where you can sit and have it. But a monkey. So we did an amazing darshan at Mahudiji, and behind, as you can see, they are also covering this temple with gold, and slowly and gradually it is happening. And also on Kadi Chaudas, as I said before, there is a lot of importance, as it is called as the day of Kantakaran Veer. So a havan is carried out today.